Let's go walk Lola in the snow. So far, she's acting kind of crazy. Lola. All right, Lola. Which way you want to go? Oh, your shirt getting a little little. Oh, you can't poop right here in the middle of the street. What? Y'all, we in the middle of the street. What is happening? Lola. Oh, pooping in the middle of the street is ridiculous. But you know, it's okay because, yeah, it's cold and who cares? Go potty. You didn't pee. Not one time. Go pee pee. Good job, girl. Yay. Now we can go in. This is why you don't eat the snow. Potty and it's over. We can go in now. Whew. That was a lot of work.